Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to ask basic workshop practice alloy trade NIMI question bank. Okay, I will ask the question. You have to give the answer. Let us start. This is question number 1. What is the use of this gauge? You have to tell what is the use of this gauge. Option A, check the internal radius of the job. Check the diameter of cylindrical job. Check the height and parallelism of job. Set the job on machines parallel to datum. The answer is check the internal radius of the job. What is the name of the file? You have to tell what is the name of this file. Rasp cut file, single cut file, double cut file, curved cut file. The answer is rasp cut file. What is the name of the tool? You have to tell what is the name of this tool. Divider, inside caliper, out leg caliper, outside caliper. The answer is inside caliper. What is the cause for twisting defect in timber? Defective storage, uneven shrinkage, improper seasoning, irregularity in growth of branches. The answer is uneven shrinkage. What is the use of mortise chisel? General chiseling work in wood, making rectangular holes in wood, pairing and finishing joints in wood, light chiseling, cleaning sharp corners and in wood. The answer is making rectangular holes in wood. Which type of stake is used for sharp bends in sheet metal? Square stake, hatchet stake, blowhorn stake, bevel edge square stake. The answer is hatchet stake. Which type of cold chisel is used for squaring materials at the corners? Web chisel, cross-cut chisel, half-round chisel, diamond point chisel. The answer is diamond point chisel. Which type of caliper is used to draw parallel lines along the outer edges of the materials? Inside caliper, Jenny caliper, outside caliper, spring joint caliper. The answer is Jenny caliper. What is the name of the drill bit? You have to tell what is the name of this drill bit. Flat drill bit, taper shank bit, countersink bit, straight shank bit. The answer is taper shank bit. What is the name of the stake used for general purpose in sheet metal work? Square stake, hatchet stake, blowhorn square stake, bevel edge square stake. The answer is square stake. What is the number 1.25 indicates in ISO metric fine thread M12x125? Diametric of the thread, pitch of the thread, depth of the thread, length of the thread. The answer is pitch of the thread. What defect will occur in the timber due to irregularities in growth of the branches? Knot, cupping, cracking, twisting. The answer is knot. Which file is used for sharpening the blunt teeth of a tenon saw? Square file, round file, triangular file, half round file. The answer is triangular file. Name the part marked X of the file. You have to tell what is the name of this part. Edge, heel, tang, shoulder. The answer is heel. What is the name of the tool? You have to tell what is the name of this tool. Jenny caliper, inside caliper, outside caliper, firm joint caliper. The answer is Jenny caliper. What is the name of the angle marked X of the chisel? You have to tell what is the name of this angle. Rake angle, point angle, clearance angle, inclination angle. The answer is point angle. What is the use of former chisel? Pairing and finishing joints, general chiseling work, making rectangular holes in wood, light chiseling and to clean sharp corner. The answer is general chiseling work. Which type of half-lap joint is used if one part of a job meets another part at some distance from the ends? I will repeat the question. Which type of half-lap joint is used if one part of a job meets another part at some distance from the ends? End lap input, cross lap joint, middle lap joint, corner half lap joint. The answer is middle lap joint. Which type of notch is used for making a metal tray with 90-degree bend and an inside flange? V-notch, slant notch, square notch, straight notch. The answer is V-notch. What is the purpose of hem folding in sheet metal work? Helps for forming a square box, helps for bending the sheet metal easily, prevents burr forming after cutting, prevent the sheet from damage. The answer is prevent the sheet from damage. Which defect in the timber is caused to reduce its strength? Twisting, cupping, cracking, irregularity. The answer is irregularity. What is the name of the hammer? You have to tell what is the name of this hammer. Claw hammer, ball pen hammer, cross pen hammer, straight pen hammer. The answer is claw hammer. Claw hammer. Which defect in the timber is caused due to improper seasoning? Knot, twisting, cracking, cupping. The answer is cupping. Which type of notch is used for bending the edge of the sheet? V-notch, slant notch, square notch, straight notch. The answer is straight notch. What is the purpose of cross-cut cold chisel? Cutting keyway, cutting curved grooves, squaring materials at corners, removing metals large flat surface. The answer is cutting keyways. Which type of notch is used to make a job with 90-degree bend? V-notch, slant notch, square notch, straight notch. The answer is V-notch. Which type of curve cutting handsaw is used for internal cutting in wood? Compass saw, keyhole saw, coping saw, fret saw. The answer is keyhole saw. What is the name of the stake used for sheet metal work? You have to tell what is the name of this stake used for sheet metal work. Square stake, hatchet stake, blowhorn stake, bevel edge square stake. The answer is blowhorn stake. What is the name of the tool? You have to tell what is the name of this tool. Claw hammer, tack hammer, cross pane hammer, straight pane hammer. The answer is tack hammer. Which type of chisel is used for separating metals after chain drilling? Flat chisel, web chisel, crosscut chisel, diamond point chisel. The answer is web chisel. Which type of stake is used for riveting or seaming tapered cone-shaped articles? Square stake, hatchet stake, blowhorn stake, bevel edge square stake. The answer is blowhorn stake. Which causes knot defect in timbers? Defective storage, uneven shrinkage, growth of branches, improper seasoning. The answer is growth of branches. Okay friends, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.